In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of psychology to uncover a powerful phenomenon, the mere exposure effect. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make people like you more, even if you don't consider yourself to be the coolest person around. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content. The mere exposure effect, also known as the familiarity principle, is a psychological phenomenon where people tend to develop a preference for things merely because they are familiar with them. This effect was first studied by psychologist Robert Zajonc in the 1960s, and it has been consistently demonstrated in countless studies since then. In other words, the more we see or interact with something or someone, the more we tend to like it or them. The mere exposure effect can be explained by our brain's natural tendency to seek out familiarity and avoid uncertainty. From an evolutionary standpoint, this makes sense. Familiar things are generally safer, while unfamiliar things have the potential to be dangerous. So when we encounter something familiar, our brain releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine, which reinforces our positive feelings towards it. So, how can you use the mere exposure effect to your advantage? First, increase your visibility. Make an effort to be present and engaged in social situations. Attend events, join clubs, or participate in group activities. The more people see you, the more they'll become familiar with you, and the more they'll like you. Second, display consistency. People feel more comfortable around others who are consistent and predictable. Demonstrate consistency in your actions, beliefs, and values. This will help establish trust and familiarity, making it easier for people to feel a connection with you. Lastly, be genuinely interested in others. Show genuine interest in the people you interact with. Ask questions, listen attentively, and remember personal details. By consistently engaging with others, you'll build familiarity and, as a result, increase their liking for you. There you have it, the mere exposure effect explained. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more psychology-backed self-improvement tips.